What's up, guys? James Fred with Daelyte Media Concepts here. Listen, man, I'm actually kind of excited about this one today because this one is going to be content with a purpose, So my last video I did was on human trafficking and sex trafficking, which is becoming a big issue around us. Well, it's always been a big issue. It's just that now we're starting to get a lot of media attention. So what I decided to do is I'm going to start doing what I call Find Us Fridays. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to be focusing on missing children around the country, okay? Now, the focus that I am going to be concentrating on first is missing Black children. And let me tell you why before y'all jump down my throats. Any child that's missing is a big problem, okay? It doesn't matter what color they are or whatever. But the reason why I'm focusing on Black children right now is because missing Black children do not get the media attention that missing children of other races get. And you might not believe me. Don't debate me on this, man. Just go with it. If you don't like it, watch the video anyway, okay? All right, so what I'm going to do on Fridays is I'm going to be saying the names and showing 10 children that are missing from around the country, okay? So I need you guys to pay attention to this, man. Sit down, watch the whole video, hit that subscribe button so you'll know when I do these and when I upload these videos, all right? So let's get started. The first child is Alyssa Adams. She's been missing since October 4th, 2019 from Temple Hills, Maryland. She's a Black female who is 18 years old. So you guys take a look at that, man, and if you see anything, I'm going to have the number up on the screen. I need you guys paying attention. This is like some real serious type stuff that we're doing. These kids are missing, man. We gotta start doing something about it. All right, the next child is Ashanti Adams. She's been missing since June 1st, 2019 from Gardena, California. She is also a Black female, age 17. Next, we have Fatima Abdul Haq. She's been missing since March 19th, 2019 from Wichita Falls, Texas, age 17, Black female. Next, we have Kelly Allen. She's been missing since June 30th, 2019 from Kennesaw, Georgia, age 16, also a Black female. Next is another Kelly Allen. It's another person, though. It's two different people from the last young lady, okay? She's been missing since May 13th of 2007 from Berkeley, Missouri. Her age now is 32. And if you look on the flyer there, you'll see her age progression photo. Next is Savannah Adams. Missing since November 8th, 2019 from New York, New York, age 13, also a Black female. Now, guys, real quick, I just want to pause for a minute here. I got some more names I'm going to call, but I want you to see the pattern here of Black females, okay? Listen, it's becoming an epidemic. Our young Black children are coming up missing all over the place, male and female. Right now, I'm doing females. But we have got to start putting in place and doing things to keep our babies safe. We've got to make sure we teach them what to do when they get out alone. Now, all these cases might not be a case of human trafficking. Some may be runaways. Some may be may have been taken by, a parent or something. I don't know. That's not for me to discern. They're missing. That's all I know. So we need to just concentrate on that. Make sure we're teaching them how to handle themselves when they're out there and what to do if they get into a situation that they might find kind of scary. All right. So the next name is Tajana Adams. And I may not be saying the names right, but you see it on the screen. She's been missing since August 22, 2019 from North Las Vegas, Nevada. She is 16 years old. Up next is Trinity Abraham, missing since October 10th, 2019 from New Rochelle, New York. age 15. Look at that smile, y'all. Up next, Yasmin Akri, been missing since January 15th, 2008 from Chicago, Illinois. Her age now would be 27. Again, take a look at the poster, see the age progression photo. Some of these babies been missing a long time, that they ain't even babies anymore. And the last one for today is Zakaya Abdul Khalik, missing since August 27, 2018 from Austin, Texas, age now 17. So listen, guys, once again, I'm going to be doing this every Fridays, Find Us Fridays. Man, I need you guys to share this video. You do not know who might have seen somebody who might have some information. There's broken up families. People are really missing their babies. Y'all, we have to find this. Don't think because it hasn't hit home that it hasn't happened to somebody you know or happened to you that is something you don't have to pay attention to. Listen, this is affecting us all, especially in the Black community, because these kids are not getting the media attention that they should get. No matter how long they've been missing or how soon. I don't care if they come up missing yesterday. It should be blasted, okay? We do not want another situation to happen like what happened in Birmingham, Alabama, with a 3-year-old little girl who came up missing and then was found dead some days later, okay? We don't want that to happen, all right? So you guys share this video, man. Check out the other video on human trafficking. I may do another one because this is not being talked about enough. I feel like as content creators, man, that we should be out here using our platform and using this YouTube platform, man, to do something other than just making little funny videos and doing whatever we do, right? So I'm going to make sure that I do my part. If you're a creator, I challenge you to do yours. Put out a video on something, man. You don't have to necessarily do it every Friday or every day like some people do, but do something. Put something out there. Say something in your videos. Make people aware of what's going on in your communities and in other communities, all right? So once again, man, y'all hit that subscribe button. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.